5 rare events photographed by sky gazers and satellites. A few group gaze upward. A few satellites peer down. However, between them, entrancing and uncommon occasions have been caught on film. Moments range from the lovable, similar to a moon attempting to overshadow the biggest planet in the close planetary system, to record breaking fire and typhoon seasons combating one another. There is additionally the ISS hoarding consideration during a full overshadowing and rainbow circles humming a helicopter. 1. Jupiter's black spot. Jupiter is known for the Great Red Spot, a gigantic tempest bigger than Earth. Be that as it may, a dark spot. In 2019, NASA caught only that. Be that as it may, this was not another tempest. It was a wacky sun-powered eclipse. One of Jupiter's moons, Io, is about the size of our moon. Io passed in the middle of the Sun and Jupiter, and had the planet been the size of Earth, it would have been an absolute sun-powered obscuration. Yet, Jupiter is the greatest planet in the nearby planetary group. Rather than an all-out obscuring, Io just figured out how to project a little dark dot. If anything, the moon's unmistakable shadow against Jupiter's delicate shadings made a staggering photo. 2. The Star of Bethlehem. In December of 2020, a ton of sky gazers were frustrated when thick mists denied them of encountering an uncommon sight direct. That Star of Bethlehem was not the well-known biblical star showing up in present-day times. All things being equal, the exceptional occasion included 2 planets, Jupiter and Saturn, arranged in such a way that they showed up amazingly near one another and the Earth. Luckily, there was no deficiency of photos. Among the best was caught by a beginner photographic artist who utilized a telescope and a camera. Yet, what made this picture stand separated from the pack? Despite the way that the photographic artist's hardware was not especially innovative, the rings of Saturn were shockingly clear. As a little something extra, the photographic artist likewise caught 4 of Jupiter's moons running in an orderly fashion close to one side base corner of the picture. 3. A full circle rainbow. Most round-trip rainbows is an instance of mixed-up character. What the vast majority see are various wonders, for example, sun coronas and plane wonders. Genuine rainbows show up when the sun is at your back and you are looking towards downpour. Yet, round-trip rainbows accompany an additional standard. To spot one, an individual should be high uncertain. This makes them incredibly rare. In 2013, all the conditions met up. A helicopter was flying close to the city of Perth when the specialty passed in the middle of a shower and the dusk. That was the point at which a photographic artist locally available saw the tricky sight. The rainbow was in good company. Like most rainbows, it had a blurred perfect representation. For this situation, the subsequent round-trip rainbow could be seen outlining the first. 4. Rainbow lightning. There is something much more uncommon than round-trip rainbows. Tragically, rainbow lightning doesn't include multi-hued electrical discharges streaking through the sky. From the outset, reality appears to be more ordinary, so some person snapped an image of a rainbow with lightning before it. So what? One must be very fortunate to get the 2 wonders together. Rainbows and lightning both need raindrops, yet in an unexpected way. At the point when raindrops pull negative charges to the lower part of a cloud and the Earth is emphatically charged, at that point the conditions are ideal for lightning. However, to make a rainbow, raindrops should curve and dissipate light. In any event, when the 2 conditions are available, rainbows and lightning never show up together. The picture taker additionally needed to remain in the perfect spot at the perfect time. Taken in Arizona, late in 2016, he looked at a tempest with the sun at his back. The setting sun's point dissipated daylight through the downpour and a rainbow showed up. Sooner or later, an adversely charged cloud and the decidedly charged Earth hit each other with a lightning jolt, finishing a photo that wowed the internet. 5. The moon's shadow and a hurricane. Extraordinary compared to other satellite pictures of 2019 was taken by Goes West. The climate satellite was known for taking fresh pictures, and in July, Goes West prepared its cameras on the Pacific Ocean. Why? Since perfect stuff was going down in this fix of the sea, Hurricane Barbara was going towards the United States. The staggering tempest was the principal serious storm of the year and could be seen agitating in the northern portion of the globe. Be that as it may, what made the picture so irregular was a dull mass drifting in the south, straightforwardly beneath Barbara. This was the shadow of the moon, cast upon the Earth during a sun-based shroud.